Good day, everyone. I am discussing the 10 basic international human rights standard for law enforcement. Standard number one is the equal protection. Uh, all persons must be protected by the law and by the law from uh, any violence or threats, whether they are children, elder, men or women, rich or poor, or even having mental deficiencies. Uh, Example, a detained person should treat same as the other detainees, and their rights should be respect and protected. Standard number two, respectful treatment. Police must treat all person, whether they are victims, suspect, or detainees. They should uh, treat treat them with respect, dignity, and fairness. Example, a police officer must use uh, police polite language and protect their rights to privacy. Uh, Standard number three, use of force. Force can only be used if it is really needed and when it is necessary. Example, police of police officer should use arresting techniques, safe arresting techniques, instead of using weapons when arresting an individual. Standard number four, policing nonviolent assemblies. Uh, assist Policing nonviolent assemblies. Peaceful protests or assemblies uh, must be managed without force. And when the violent happens, uh, officers must use minimal force or non-lethal force. Example of this, the rally can happen in Mindiola. Uh, the officers uh, they block the road and let the rallies exercise their of freedom of expression, but they but the violence happens and the uh, officers use um, minimal force to resist them. Uh, Standard number five, lethal weapon, lethal force, deadly force or deadly weapons or deadly force can only be used as last resort to save many lives. Example, a person is shooting in a public place. A police officer can use firearms to uh, resist the person. Uh, standard number six. Standard number six. Arresting on legal grounds. Uh, uh, police can only police officers can uh, only arrest with can arrest with legal grounds, can only arrest with legal grounds and follow the legal procedures. Example, uh, the police officer sees that uh, so that person is stealing, and he has legal grounds to arrest that person even without warrant. Standard number seven, detainees right. Uh, a detained person must be a an officer should respect detainees right to have access to their family, uh, their lawyer, and medical care to help them if they are injured. Example, a detained person can call their immediate family member and uh, their lawyer and medical care uh, to help them when they are injured. Example ay standard number 8, humane treatment of detainees. Uh, police officer uh, treat the detainees humane without torture, force, violence, or threats. Example, uh, an officer should respect the respect and treat uh, detainees uh, humane without using force, violence, torture, and threats. Standard number 9, refuse to obey unjust order. Uh, uh, an officer must refuse to obey uh, illegal order like killing or disappearing people. Example, uh, a police a police uh, should refuse to the mayor that ordered him to kill a person. Standard number 10, reporting violation. police must report their colleagues in violating the human rights of of person. Example, police officer reported their uh, co-worker or their colleagues to their superior, and or in the prosecutor because of violating the human rights of a person in uh, in arresting the person. That's all. Thank you.